Hi kindergarten friends! Today in math we're going to be using a new tool. It's called the number rack. So I want to explain how the number rack is organized. There's two rows, the top row and the bottom row. And you're going to see some red beads and then white beads. So if I move over all the red beads on the top row, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's also 5 white beads. And on the bottom, it's the same thing. 5 red and then 5 white. We're gonna practice making numbers today with the number rack, so let's get started. For this lesson, we're only gonna use the bottom row for the number rack. So I'm gonna cover the top row of the number rack. And as I slide the beads over, you're going to show me with your fingers how many beads I have moved from this side to this side. So for example, if I move this over, you would show me 3. So let's get started. Let's start with something easy. Show me with your fingers how many beads I just moved over. 2. How about if I add the rest of the red beads? Show me with your fingers how many that is. 5. Okay, let's try something a little trickier. What if I move this? So remember, if I move all the reds over, that's 5 plus 2 more, 6, 7. That has 7 beads. So your fingers should look like that. What if I move all the beads over? How many is that? 5 red, 5 white, 5 and 5 make 10. You should have 10 fingers up. Let's try another number. Show me with your fingers how many beads you see now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads. How about now? 4. Last one. That was a lot of beads that I moved over. Let's count on from 5 to see how many. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers up. I think you guys are ready for a challenge. I'm going to unveil both rows now, and we're going to make numbers. But our numbers are going to be bigger than 10, so you're not going to be able to use your fingers. You're going to shout out the number of beads that you see. So let's get started. So if I move 5 from the top row, that's 5 red, and 5 from the bottom row, 5 and 5 make 10. So I'm going to leave this 10 here. What if I move 1 more over? 10 plus 1 more is 11. What if I move this? So that was 11. How many beads are there now? That's 10, like the 10 frame. 11, 12, 13. And if I move the last 2 from the top row, how many beads is that? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to put all my beads back. I'm going to make a new number. Okay, let's try taking the same from the top and the same from the bottom and moving it over. So remember, if I move all the reds, that's 10. I don't have to count that by ones. So 10, 11, 12. So that has 12 beads on that side. What if I move over 1 from the top and 1 from the bottom? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Try to bring over one on the top and one on the bottom. How many is that? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm gonna bring over two more. The numbers are getting bigger. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I'm gonna bring over for the last number that we're going to make the last two white beads. So let's try. We know this is 10, that's a 10 frame. And this is also 10. So 10 reds and 10 whites. Does anyone know how many beads that is in all? If you said 20, I think you're right. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or a faster way would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And a super fast way to count would be 10, 20. I hope you had fun today learning more about our number rack. I'll see you later. Adios, amigos.